In the previous tutorial, we have built a simple employee directory application. In this tutorial, we shall learn about interactive report, which is a very common and powerful feature of Apex. In the previous tutorial, we have created an employees table and we shall use it for developing interactive reports. Let's sign into your workspace. Let's create a new application. Click App Builder, click Create, enter your application name. Now click Create Page and select Interactive Report. Give a name Employee Directory and select Table Employees. Click Create Page. Now run your application. Here you can see the interactive report. You have multiple options here like pagination, actions, search bar, go button label, and search field. Let's go to the page editor, select your interactive report and search for pagination in the attributes. You have multiple options for pagination like type. The default type which is selected is row range x to y. X and y are the rows on a page. You can see 1 to 7 is the format. Let's change the type. Rows range x to y of z. X and y range of the records on the current page, and z is the total number of records. Save your and refresh it. You can see the 1 to 7 records are available here from total records 7. Now let's modify the search bar. You can also change the display location or position. Left, top, right as per your design. Now let's modify the search bar. Select your interactive report. You can go to the search bar from this menu option or search simply from here. If you want to hide the search bar, simply disable this feature and click Save button. Now refresh your page. The search bar has been gone. Let's enable it and hide the search field. Click Save. Refresh your page. You can see the search bar option. Search field is disabled or hide, but action menu is shown. Let's enable it and disable the Finder dropdown. What is a Finder dropdown? This field is the Finder dropdown. If you want to disable it, simply disable the Finder dropdown and it's vanish. Second, the another option we have is report select list. If you have multiple format of your report, for example, I have another report. Let's filter with condition MR. And we save the report. MR report. Now you have another option for selecting the report. This is the primary report and this is the MR. So if you want to disable report select list option, this option, simply disable it and click save option. Now you can see this option has been removed. Now we have another option, rows per page selector. It allows the user to select the rows on a current page as per his desire. Let's enable it. Go to the primary report. You can see the number of records or select number of records from here. By selecting 5 rows, you can see a next item available for user to navigate to the next page. Click on it and you can see the next page. If we select 10 rows, then all the rows will be available here. Next option that we have is search button label. If you want to replace the go label with any other label, then the right label. You can see the search go is replaced with the search label. Another option is the maximum rows per page. You can define the number of rows here. The user can select. You can see the maximum number of rows a user can select is 50. The maximum report rows per page that we have defined. Now the next option we have is action menu. Let's customize this action menu. Select your interactive report. and go to the action menu. If you want to remove the action menu, simply disable this option, save it, and refresh your page. The action menu has been removed. Now enable it, and we want to remove further options or disable further option like sorting, control break, highlight, compute, aggregation, chart, group by, pivot, flashback, save report, reset, help, and subscription. Refresh your page. Now you can see only few options here. The next option that we have is the download option. Here we have multiple formats for download: comma delimiter files, HTML, Excel, and PDF. For PDF, we have further two options: page size like A4, legal, and letter. And page orientation, we have two further options. Also, we have a send an email option. You can enter the email and send it from here. Let's customize this option. We have download option here. Let's see if we want only PDF formats, then we choose PDF, and we don't want to send email, then we can disable it. Enter the file name. The downloaded file name you can enter by default here. Click save, refresh your page, click download. Now you can see only PDF format and email option has been gone. Click on PDF and click download. The file is downloaded. Click on the file and the data is appearing. One thing keep in mind, there is a 32K limit to download in advanced format like PDF and Excel from report. If user has too many columns, then he may face errors. Also, download may take considerable time to download large size of data. So that's all for today. In the next tutorial, we shall explore further options of interactive report. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.